morning everyone. Today we are here to perform weak sentence formation of the day activity. Those are all my friends. He is Yashwant. A fabulous morning. He is Girikathikeya. A fabulous morning. He is Prashant. A fabulous morning. And coming to myself, my name is Justin. We are staying 4th class in Allapalli English Medium High School. The structure of sentences is there any plus event plus today? I repeat, is there any plus event plus today? Go to my friend Yashwant. The first example of the structure is there any class today? I repeat, is there any class today? Go to my friend Giri. Thank you, Yashwant. The second example of the structure is there any meeting today? I repeat, is there any meeting today? Over to my friend Prashant.
Thank you, Girikathikeya. My last example of the structure is there any activity today? I repeat, is there any activity today?
We hope you all will use these sentences in your daily conversation. Thank you, this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Have a nice day.